All right, so what we're going to do next is import the data into a new project, so I'll step through it. So there's 3 XML files that I'm going to need, and what I have is the L1, so I'm going to use this L1 as an example. I got the L1 DTM XML, I've got this CM job roadway XML, and I've got the finished survey XML. So the finished survey is the original surface, this is my alignments, and then this is the surface, finished ground surface of this L1 corridor, which is what you're seeing here. I'm going to use that as an example here working through this project. So basically I'm just going to go into Business Center and we'll create a new project. I'm going to use, if you have a template set up, I'd recommend you use that. I'm just going to use US survey feet, and I'll go ahead and save whatever changes I made to that last one. Got the new project. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to take these 3 files and I'm just going to drag and drop them into Business Center. I've already made sure that they're all in US survey feet so that when I bring them in, they come in proper. Now I'm going to bring in the points and break lines for the surface of this one. So I'll go ahead and import that and do the same thing for the other surface as well. So we want the points and break line surface, and in this case for this L1 DTM surface, I actually want both. So I should have chose both on that one. So I'm going to click both here and import both. It's going to give me 2 surfaces, but you're going to see we want the points and break lines because we definitely want the break lines to create the corridor as well. So I'm going to show you what we can do with that as we get into this. So I'm going to let this come in and import it. And it gave me a couple errors. I'm going to go ahead and say no to that. And I'll move this out of the way. I'm going to turn off my line marking down here. And we can see that we've got a whole bunch of break lines and other information and data. So if we go over to our view filter manager, we can, those are the break lines for the existing surface. Drill plans we don't need, 0. Those are my alignments, my points, and my L1 information as well. Okay, and then under surfaces you can see we've got the original ground surface, which is just made from the break lines. Okay, so that's probably fine. I may re-import that to get the other surface in and just to verify the difference between the 2. And then this one is the 2 surfaces for the L1 and the L2. All right, so what I'm going to show you next is how to clean this data up, because it's all, if we take a look at this, you can see there's a lot of break lines, a lot of information, but we want to use some of this. So the more kind of having this data in here, we need to clean it up and relayer it. So we'll show you how to do that in the next video.